Join me today on a beautiful walk in the Visitation Island Nature Park here in Montreal, where I took some beautiful pictures of birds and even a mystery bird that had local birders confused.
Good morning, everyone. I'm heading out to a park I've never been to, do a bit of exploring this morning and hope to see some really nice sightings. It's kind of quiet right now in Montreal in terms of birds and other wildlife, but I have seen on eBird that area specifically seems to have a lot of birds because it's on the shore. So I've got about a 15-minute drive ahead of me, and I'll see you there. So I've made it. It's very quiet around here. Very nice. There's lots of birds that I can hear. So I hear a lot of birds, but hopefully we get to see them because that's a whole other story. Do I have too much gear? Probably. But you know what? Who cares? One last piece of gear to add, and that's you. Here we go. What are we hearing this morning? Yellow warbler and goldfinch. Ooh, I heard the catbird. Let's see if we can see them. Man, these little birds are so quick. That's pretty cute. One thing about these types of forests, as you can see behind me, there's a lot of very tall trees. And oftentimes, all the birds, kind of like the goldfinches and other smaller birds, they like to hang up way up into the trees. And we can kind of see them fly around between trees. But the thing is, you can't really get really good pictures of them. So if photography is your main goal when you go into very mature forests, well, keep that in mind. The smaller birds are going to be hanging up way up top. But if you find areas like this where it's open, well, they do kind of go down into these shrubs as well. So what I do, I just kind of sit around here and I look at the behavior of the birds and try to see where they kind of gravitate towards. So I guess what I'm trying to say is be patient. Don't try to walk through a park and do a run through super quick. Just sit around and watch the birds, listen to them, try to see their behavior, and I assure you, you'll get some good photos. Don't tell my wife, but I totally did forget to put sunscreen on this morning. With this complexion and bald head. It's so quiet here. You can hear lots of birds, people fishing. I love this area. Maybe, just maybe, I can align. Oh yes, the bird with the moon. Okay, let's get a high aperture. Higher than that. Oof. Oh my god. My sensor needs a cleaning. It's moments like these, guys, that you gotta be really, really patient. They've got very dense greenery all around here. That's where the birds are, but sometimes they come out onto these branches. So just gotta be a bit patient. Wow. Those Americans are. Truly such a beautiful area. Wow. So I've got a question for you guys. What do you guys think about bringing dogs in these, nature parks? I want to adopt a dog, and I can tell you for a fact that I'd love to bring the dog in a beautiful park like this. But is it the right place for them? I see a lot of parks where they don't allow the dogs and others that do, so tell me, what are your thoughts on this? What is that? Oh, it's a catbird. They're really high. Not gonna take pictures of that. So a fellow birder just stopped me to let me know that there apparently is a white goose. I mean, we don't really get swans here sometimes, but I really doubt that's what it would be. Maybe a leucistic Canada goose. Never seen that, but we're gonna go check it out. Wow, this is a cool spot. Let's see if we can find it. Oh yeah, I do see it. Very, very far, so let me take this camera real quick. Some time with other birders, and we tried to figure out what that was, and we just can't figure it out. Possibly a hybrid or even a domesticated bird, so we're not exactly sure. I'm going to do a bit of research, ask the community, and we'll let you know.
After doing a bit of research and asking the local birding community, it seems that this was in fact a domesticated goose that made its way outside of its home. Thankfully though, it seems to have made lots of friends with the local Canada geese. So, the mystery is resolved. I hope you liked today's video, and if you want to see more videos like this one, please do subscribe and like this video. It helps the channel much more than you'd expect. Now I wish you a beautiful day and hope to see you again soon. Take care.